A child labeled shy will always behave to be shy. At the same time, forcing the kids to be confident around people, even if it's for your own family get together, is not an idea worth trying. So, is there a way that they can cope up in such a situation without hurting their feelings? The answer is yes. Here are the top 5 tips to help any shy kid shine in a gathering. Number 5. Accept the kid for the way she or he is. Accept the feelings and the things that go around the kid's mind when one of their cousins say hello to them in a get-together. This way, the kid will not feel that she is alone. Number 4. Try a workaround instead of forcing the child to be social with everyone. You can try something like this. When you go to a kid's party, you can ask your kid, "Can you try arranging these chocolates on the plates so that your friends can eat them?" This might be a chance to boost their self-esteem. Number 3. Ask your kid to make his own choice. You can give him choices like, do you want to sit near the other kids to watch them build the blocks, or do you want to have the snacks with your dad first? This way, he will choose any one of the choices. Number 2. Make the kid feel like he is really significant. You can ask the kid to do an art which he is very good at and can ask him to show it to other kids in the next party. The appreciation from fellow kids makes them confident. Number 1. Pretend play. Before going to any public place, do the pretend play with your kids and give appreciation for at least the small change that he make to come out of his shyness. Shyness in kids is just a part of growing up. The success depends on how patient the parents are in inculcating self-esteem in our kids. Thanks for watching. Happy parenting!